Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to divide the circle into 24 equal parts. Let's start with our circle. I'm using a 5 centimeters radius, but you can use any radius you prefer. Next, I'm drawing my horizontal line. You can measure the distance, you can eyeball it, whatever works for you. Next thing, I'm using my initial radius and I'm going to draw two semicircles, one on the right and one on the left. Using the intersections between these semicircles and the circle, I'm pointing my compass and drawing two marks up here and two below. Next, I'm aligning my ruler to the intersection of those four marks and drawing my vertical line. Again, make sure it passes through the center. Now that I have the intersection between the vertical line and the circle, I'm using the initial radius, pointing my compass, and drawing another two semicircles, which intersect the first two. Now I'm aligning my ruler to opposite points of intersections between the semicircles and the circle. Make sure your line passes through the center. And doing it like this, I'm dividing my circle into 12 equal parts. Now that I have my 12-fold division, I'm grabbing my compass, using the initial radius, pointing the compass on the intersections between the semicircles. I'm drawing an arc inside the circle. 4 arcs actually. These 4 arcs intersect with the semicircles into 8 points. And I'm gonna use this red color to mark the points so that you can see them clearly. So what is left for us is to align the ruler to opposite points, making sure the line passes through the center and dividing our circle into 24 equal parts. I'm also adding the diagonal, which I forgot to do at the beginning. And here you go, your 24-fold division. Make sure to subscribe if you like my content and see you next time. Bye!